If I may introduce ourselves and the company, I'm Greg Roumeliotis, Vice President, Global Business Development at Orgenesis. Orgenesis, we are advancing our ecosystem. We are an open source biotech company, and we are deploying the Orgenesis point of care platform, which comprises of three enabling pillars. A pipeline of licensed therapeutics with the use of cutting-edge, closed and automated systems over a collaborative network of affiliated hospitals, biotechs, and treating the patient at point of care, which is of vital importance. Challenges: technology, people. We should not forget that the real genius of technology is people. So really a great group of a team, collaborators across the globe, bringing in new systems, ideas, technologies, clinical investigators. We should not forget, and we should note at this moment, a very interesting trend that over 3,000 trials that are in the cell and gene therapy space today, almost half of them, if not more, are not industry initiated. They are from the academia, research centers, directly hospitals under the hospital exemption or other framework, which makes it more interesting, more attractive, and more challenging. So back to the topic of the decentralized manufacturing challenges, definitely is to have the right team, the right collaborative ecosystem with the partners. That what is it about? What is that we're trying to advance? Affordable, available, and accessible. So there are technologies that have been designed for central manufacturing, and there are technologies that are being advanced and being evolved towards at the point of care. And of course, we are talking about quality, sterility, ease of use, cost also when it comes to the systems, the cassettes, the various consumables that are needed, always maintaining the highest quality towards value-based patient care. What I would like also to stress once more is that we start these processes, this flow of business service from the early point of building the pipeline of licensed therapies. And this triangle of three pillars is making our open ecosystem platform unique, from understanding the needs of the PIs, of the investigators, of the biotech companies that are bringing small or larger, or even the pharma partners that are bringing a therapy that want it to be enabled and offered at point of care, is that we like to call it that it's not a plug-and-play solution. We like to build, and I will not use the word customized because something needs to be able to roll out at scale, but to build an OMPUL, our mobile units, around a therapy. And per se also, what is unique, closed automation towards closed automation and parallel processing. In that way, you can have multiple patients per therapy being processed and produced within our OMPULs near the venicity of the treating centers at the hospitals, at the centers across the globe. And there are many initiatives globally, not only in the US, but also in Europe, in Southeast Asia, in Australia, in Africa, in South Africa, all over the world. And we have been recognized also, even in Europe. There has been, in Southeastern Europe, out of Greece, a grant that was awarded to Orgenesis partnership of over up to 32 million euros, exactly for the deployment of OMPULs and the advancement and the know-how, the tech transfer from Europe and the US and Israel and to Greece. So Greece would become, as they call it, Greece 2.0, really to cover all the needs of the entire region for affordable and accessible cell and gene therapies.